はい、皆さんこんにちは。漢字の勉強頑張っていますか？
Today, we're gonna do JLPT N4 もじごい Kanji section.
There are 12 questions in this video. You have 10 seconds to answer for each question. After the test, I will share the secret of how Japanese people memorize kanji. If you want to know the secret, keep watching. Here's the secret of how Japanese people learn kanji. The secret is ondoku. Ondoku means read out loud. Let me break it down what is happening when you read out loud. You recognize a sentence and you pronounce it and then you actually hear it yourself. Reading, speaking, and listening. 3 things are happening at the same time.That's why it's very effective when it comes to learning kanji or Japanese vocabulary. Read out loud is very effective. That's how we learn. A lot of people think that we write a lot, we practice a lot writing, but it's just a one part. I personally believe that ondoku is the best way to learn kanji. Now it's time for us to try ondoku together.We are going to use the same sentence from the mock test so that you can review the kanji while we are trying ondoku. That's like 2 birds with 1 stone. I will read a sentence. I want you to repeat after me. それでは始めましょう。
あのスーパーの野菜は安いです。あなたの家はどこですか？私の妹は歌が下手です。母は10時に帰ってきました。時間がないので急いでください。今日は風が弱いです。後で教えてくださいね。郵便局は近くにあります。窓から空が見えます。兄とサッカーをしました。公園に犬がいますよ。古い腕時計を見つけた。